Here's a quick overview of Ozark Trail 45 quart high performance rolling cooler from Walmart. It comes with a handle, which is nice, pretty solid, actually made very well. I think I paid $100 for this. It's got a bottle cap opener. It's got places to lock on all four corners, 4 drink spots on the top. Super sturdy rubber tie downs. They're actually really quite tight. Comes with a little ice tray for your food to keep your food dry. Super solid. I would say, you know, obviously it's not a Yeti, but for a third the price. Wheels are pretty good size, and they're kind of slightly rubberish, and they have decent bearings. Rolls really smooth, and it's got a drain built into it. Rolls really nice, much better than any of the other Walmart coolers that I saw. So I felt like that it was going to be worth it. It's even got rubber pads on the bottom. I probably used it once, but I think it'll hold ice for quite a few days. Anyway, it says 6.5 days. But anyway, that's a Walmart Trail. It's got your 23-inch fish measurer. I guess that's what that's for. But pretty good buy, I'd say. Decent value. Anyway, let me know what you think.